Hey, what's happening everybody? Don the Car Guy here, and behind me is a 2016 Ford Explorer. This one has the 2.3 EcoBoost engine in it, which is kind of a weird combination for an Explorer. Usually they're 6 cylinders, or the newer ones are V8s. Anyway, this one came to us because he's literally said it sounded like one of those cars in that Fast and Furious movie. So anyway, I had a broken flex pipe. I made a little video of what it takes for us to fix that. Take a look. Doesn't really sound furious anymore. So thanks for watching.